We have some time until our big project starts. Want to join me on a small group project? Hey everyone, Cristin Som here, and oh boy, we are going to have a big group project, a big quilt we're going to work on together very soon. But our sponsor needs another week for prepping the fabrics. There was a little delay. So I thought I'd join you or have you join me for some fun projects in the meantime. So last week or a couple weeks ago, we made this adorable winter wall hanging, small little wall hanging. You can make them very small. This is the extra large one. So we made this hot cocoa cup and that was so fun. And now it's February. So I want to make the heart. Let me grab the CD. I forgot it. All right, so on the CD, now don't forget, remember I mentioned when we did the mug that you can buy this as a digital download now directly from the Kimberbell vault. But if you have it from before, you can use it that way or you can download it as a single purchase. So I'm going to work on the heart. This is Kimberbell KD 569. It's Machine Embroidery by Number Winter Collection. It's an old CD, but like I said, in the vault on Kimberbell, they're now selling each of the designs separately, so you can make just one. So I'm going to make the heart, and like I said, you can get it from Kimberbell. In fact, I'll add a link here since it's a little hard to find sometimes, but Machine Embroidery by Number, I'm going to do the heart, and you can get it as a direct download from Kimberbell. All right, or if you have this CD, grab that, download it, and we'll get started. So this one, I think this is really fun. I showed you my pumpkin, my fall one that I made on before we did our mug. I don't have that now. I've packed it away for the fall items. But so the mug was done in basically two colors. We've got the background and the outer borders, but the mug itself was done all in one, and then just this bottom bit here. But on the heart, we're going to be able to do like what I did on the pumpkin, where you've got all kinds of different colors or different designs, or however you want to do yours. You can do it all in one if you prefer. But the heart itself has 6 pieces to it, just the heart, all right? 6 different pieces. And then we also need a background, and then we need that outer border. So start by deciding what you want your heart to look like. So I was pretty excited that it's all different pieces. So what I'm going to do, I went ahead and I picked out some fabrics that all have hearts on them. So I went to my novelty fabric collection and I picked out all different ones, reds and pinks, all with hearts on them, some glittery, some not. I thought this would be really fun. They're all small pieces that we'll need for the heart, but it will be fun to have them be different. I like that. I think that's really fun. It's like doing a collage type of thing. All right, so this is the perfectly piece by number. I'm going to show you step by step how to do it. So start by getting your download from the Kimberbell vault, and like I said, I'll add a link here of where you can get it from the Kimberbell website, or if you have the CD, like I said, it's KD 569. And then start by getting your 6 fabrics. Pick out 6 fun fabrics. It can all be one if you want, or it can be a whole different set of fun colors and whatever you want to do. I'm doing all different designs, staying with a pink and red theme and some whites too, but those also have pink and red. So anyway, that's the start. So pick out 6 different fabrics. They'll show you what you need to cut. I'm going to do the extra large one. So I will add the cut sizes for that extra large one if you're going to do, but you can do it in, there's I think 4 different sizes, maybe even 5. So it will depend on which size you're going to do, but I'll add the information if you're doing the big one, all right, this one. And it fits really well on my little home. I'll add a link to that too, that you'll see at the end of this video. It will be hanging on my home hook. So anyway, 6 different fabrics or the same, totally up to you. And then you also need something for the background. So imagine this is the heart. You're going to have the background pieces. It's smaller with the heart. I think the background doesn't look like there's as much as there is with the mug. So on that one, I've chosen white with pink dots. That's what I'm going to use for my background pieces. And then you also need the border. All right. So there's always this border all the way around, and we'll just use long, thin pieces for that. And I've chosen something that'll stand out a little bit more. I'm going to do black with the hearts on it. So that will be my my border around the design. And then the last thing that you need is some ribbon. I'm going to use the Kimberbell ribbon. I think I'm going to use this red one with the dots on it. I think that would be fun, but any of these would be fun, or a plain ribbon works as well. So that's all you need to get started. It's a one-day quick, easy project. It's going to be really fun. So let's go ahead and get started. I can't believe it's February already. Oh my goodness. So I'm excited to make this heart. But I also did a workout, so I try to always have some sort of a goal. This is just a one-day project. So I did my workout before I even got started. I did 2 rides in, I think like Wyoming. I think it was in Wyoming. But good climbing, good workout, hard to do. So I was in Hawaii all last week. I was on vacation, perfect timing since our project hadn't started. So my husband and I went to Hawaii, had a wonderful time. Oh my gosh, it was so nice to get away from the cold for a little bit. But you know what's funny is it was windy, and which did make it cold there. It was still like 30 degrees warmer than it is here in Idaho. So we were pretty thankful. But anyway, so there were some workouts. We did a hike. I think every single day we went for a good hike, and that was good, and lots of walking, whale watching one day. That was a no workout day. I think we did a hike afterward. I'm not sure. But anyway, so today I got back to my trainer, my bicycle trainer, and climbed on some hills with iFit trainer Hannah Edens. I have a Nordic Track bicycle, stationary bicycle, and it was a good workout, and I did 2 of them back to back. So I'm pretty happy with that. It was only like, I don't know, probably 11 or 12 miles, something like that. Not much mileage, but some good climbing and some good wattage. I tried to keep my power up high. So it was a great workout, and I'm really glad to be back to regular. It's funny, I'm such a home girl, and I loved going away. We had such a great time in Hawaii and saw whales, and it was just an amazing trip and wonderful to get away, and yet very thankful to be home too. So I got to sleep in my own bed and shower in my own shower, and so that's always nice. Getting home is nice too, and getting back to regular routine. So I'm excited to get to use my embroidery machine today and get in some playtime. How has your week been going? And I usually show you my shirt because it's usually an embroidered shirt, but today it's not. It's my Hawaii shirt. My husband got it for me in one of the shops in our hotel. Isn't it so pretty? And you know, I could make this. Isn't that funny when you look at something and you look at the price tag and you're like, I can just make it at home. But I did get one that I don't have to make, so that was pretty fun too. So no embroidered shirt today. Sorry. I will certainly include that information when we start on our big project. We are going to do We Whisk You a Merry Christmas together as a group project. If you haven't already seen the announcement video for that, make sure to get your supplies. Just go to Cristin Creates on YouTube and you can see all of the videos there, the announcement video telling you about it. In fact, I'll add a link here for those that want to join us for the We Whisk You a Merry Christmas quilt project.